शाहीन ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन बिल्कुल इब्तदाई से वेरी बिगनिंग से ही टेक्नोलॉजी का भरपूर इस्तेमाल करता आया है। जैसे कि सीसी कैमरा हम आज से तकरीबन 15-17 साल पहले इंस्टॉल किए थे और पूरे सिस्टम को सॉफ्टवेयर से जोड़े हैं और तमाम क्लासरूम को डिजिटल बोर्ड प्रोवाइड किए हैं और इसमें बेहतरी की हर वक्त कोशिश करते हैं। ऐप अटेंडेंस, मार्क्स, बच्चों की सेहत से मुताल्लिक़ सारा शेड्यूलिंग, फिर फ़ीस के तफसीलात वगैरह सारे के सारे पेरेंट्स इस ऐप के ज़रिए देख सकते हैं और यहाँ के ज़िम्मेदारों से कांटेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं। आप तमाम को से गुजारिश है कि इसका भरपूर फ़ायदा उठाएं।
Welcome to Shaheen Group of Institutions. Management has decided to launch a mobile application. By that, parents will get a proper information about their students who are studying in our institutions, as well as the queries of the parents will be easily addressed by the concerned authority of our institution. So, what we have done, what management has done, has come up with this mobile application solution. And now, how the parents can download this? September 1st, 2024, we are having a launch event and that will be available live in the YouTube at 10 a.m. And every parent will have the link of downloading this app, and the app will be in the name of Shaheen Group ERP in Play Store as well as App Store after 2 days. In Play Store, you can get it from September 1st, whereas from App Store, you will be having this after 2 days. Clear? And now, if you download this application, you will have the landing page in this format. You will see there are two modules here. One is the parent, the other one is the staff. In the parent, you need to enter the admission number. And the admission number, if you're entering the admission number of the student, you will have an option here that says generate OTP. And parent will get OTP to their registered mobile number. And that OTP should be entered here to verify and get the access of that particular student. So I got the OTP. I'm entering the OTP, that is 545020. And after verifying, I will get into the landing page of the student. Here in the right corner, you can see the admission number of the student name and the batch. This is first year NEET B1. This is the batch name and this is the admission type. And this student, if it is AC hostel, you will get it as AC hostel. If it is non-AC, you can see here. This is the admission type of the student. And now, if you just drag it down, here there are some options where it will display the total amount of fees, the paid fees and the due fees. If the parents are willing to pay the fees, they can directly click this option, pay fee. And in this particular thing, you have term 1, term 2, term 3 fees. You need to select this. For example, see, I will undo this and I will select this term 1 fees. And the term 1 remaining fees is 22,500. What I can do, if I want to pay the complete amount, I will go with the proceed payment. Here you can see online payment. I will click this. No, if I need to reduce this, I can pay the minimum amount of 10,000. Parent can pay minimum amount of 10,000. Maximum amount they can select according to their convenience. Clear? And after this, what they need to do, they just need to go here down, online payment more. You will have an UPI gateway card payment option. By that, parents can pay their online fees here. There is an option here, proceed to pay. Clear? Next, when you just drag little bit down, there is an analysis over here. In the x-axis of this analysis, there is a date on which exam was conducted on the x-axis, and in the y-axis, marks are written. And now, the very first exam, take it as like 12/08/2024, this was the exam conducted. And if I click it here, what I can see the student marks, physics, how much, chemistry and biology. In detail marks you can see here. And if you click here, what you can see here, this particular day, exam, marks as well as the complete physics, chemistry marks, and there is a graph. If the student is improving or student academic thing is going down, you can watch it through the graph only. And now, these are the other modules which are present in the application. We are going with the attendance module. In attendance module, what parents can see, if your child had food in breakfast in morning, then it will come in a right click. For example, this student didn't had food in dinner, so the mark is here like this. And how is this record maintained? We have face recognition devices in our mess. When the student is entering the mess to have the food in morning for breakfast, this will be the mark. The attendance will be marked. Lunch, student went to have the lunch, attendance will be marked. Here student didn't go for dinner, so student has skipped the dinner, so the wrong mark means the attendance is not marked. So parents can see that whether the student had the food in breakfast, lunch and dinner. The next timetable module. In this timetable module, what and all the student is studying from morning. From morning, very first hour, that's from 7:30, which subject is there. After that, again, which subject is there till 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock, there is a lunch break, then namaz break, then again sleeping break. Again, after that, again in the evening session, they are having a classes. In afternoon, they are having again 3 classes. Today, which class is happening, which subject, which faculty is teaching, all the information will be available on this timetable module. Next, this events module. In this events module, for example, today is 14th August and tomorrow is 15th August. So on 15th August, the holiday is declared, and that holiday, all the holidays information will be available in this events module. Coming to this notice board, what will be present in this notice board? For example, you are in any college and that college is having a physical notice board. On that notice board, what and all the information will be available, same information will be available here. For example, admission opening has been started, the exam result has been declared, exam dates has been declared. All this type of information will be available on this notice board module. Then news. What and all the newses which are related to the Shaheen. For example, Shaheen group of institutions, they have launched the Shaheen food court in Bidar. Means in Bidar, there is a very historic monument, the Bidar fort. In that Bidar fort, they have launched Shaheen food court. And this information is like related to Shaheen group of institution. This type of complete information you can see in this news feed. Here. Then next, after this, there is a complaint and concern module. Here, for example, if parents are having any issue, any complaint, they can go to this module and they can click this concern tab. Here, there is an edit option. There are 2 types of complaints, whether it is academic related complaints. One is like the complaint to staff. Means here what they can do, they can select the subject name, they can file the details, what and all issue the student is facing in the subject, and they can press submit. If academic related complaint is there, this complaint will go to the parent teacher. So if the parents are having some issue which is not academic, some administration related issue, some hostel related issue, then you can go to this complaint to admin, and here you can fill the complete details, and the complaint, the issue, the concern will go to the concerned authority. Clear? Coming to the food menu. In this food menu, you can look into this, the complete week, what and all the students are having in breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks. So the complete food menu is available in this particular module. Now, coming to the activity. In the activity, what you can see in the activity, for example, if any guest has visited our campus and our chairman Dr. Abdul Khadir sir has visited some other like meeting or event, that complete information will be present in this activity module. Clear? And now coming to the live classes. In this live classes, if any student is absent at that particular time, if few classes, like we have option where we can telecast the class online also, and at that time if we are telecasting our offline classes, at that time the student can go through this and they can view the class, they can attend the class sitting in their home. Clear? So this is about the live class module. Next, coming to the guardian details. In guardian details, the complete information of the father, the mother and again the guardian will be available here. So you can see your information, your photo, your name and the mobile phone in this particular tab. Health concern. This is the tab which we are launching soon. In this particular tab, what you can see is any issue, health related issue with the student. All parents may be aware that we are having a Shaheen hospital in our campus only, where if student goes unhealthy, at that time the student will be taken to the hospital and the treatment will be done, and that particular treatment will be displayed in this particular health concern tab. Clear? And this module we are launching very shortly. And next, appointment. For example, your son, your daughter is studying in our campus in a hostel, and you are planning to visit for this week. And if you are willing to visit for this week, at that time, if you take the appointment here in the morning, very first hour, if you define the timing, at that time the parent teacher will make your kid ready so that you can take your child outside. Clear? So this is the appointment tab which is about to launch very short. So this was a complete information about the mobile application, and you, again I am telling you, you can download this mobile application through Play Store, and you can download this even through App Store after 2 days. It is available in Play Store from September 1st, and it is available in App Store within 2 days. Clear? Done. So this is the complete information about the mobile application by name Shaheen Group ERP. Thank you.